Remember, product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Now, are you looking for the best mini PCs in the market? Want to upgrade your workspace with a compact yet powerful machine? Mini PCs are rapidly gaining popularity, offering a blend of performance, compactness, affordability and features that cater to both personal and professional needs. In this realm of compact powerhouses, 6 contenders stand out, each with their unique strengths, set to redefine your computing experience. Intrigued? Then stay tuned as we count down the top 6 mini PCs in the market. Starting off our list at number 6 is the Beelink U59 Mini PC. This compact powerhouse is a marvel of engineering, packing a punch with its performance whilst offering excellent value for money. It's a budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on features. Its sleek design makes it a fitting addition to any workspace, and it's light enough to carry around. Despite its size, it delivers a performance that rivals larger models. A great budget-friendly option, the Beelink U59 Mini PC offers an impressive performance for its size. At number 5, we have the Camrui AK1 Pro. A truly unique piece in the mini PC world, the Camrui AK1 Pro boasts a distinctive design that is as eye-catching as it is functional. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust processor that ensures top-notch performance. Moreover, it offers high-speed connectivity options, making it a breeze to set up and use. However, it's not without its shortcomings. With its sleek design and powerful features, the Camrui AK1 Pro certainly packs a punch. Moving on to number 4, we have the Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC. This compact workhorse is a marvel of technology, boasting a high-speed performance that never fails to impress. It's not just about speed though. The Geekom Mini IT11 also offers excellent storage capacity, ensuring you'll never run out of space for your files and applications. With its versatile use, it can seamlessly fit into any work or play environment. The Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC is a solid choice for those seeking versatility and performance. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Beelink Esir 5. This compact powerhouse boasts robust processing capabilities, ensuring smooth operation no matter the task. Its sleek design is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also perfect for saving space on your desk. Despite these impressive features, the Beelink Esir 5 manages to maintain a price point that's friendly to your pocket. A few drawbacks include limited upgrade options and lack of Thunderbolt port. Powerful and pocket-friendly, the Beelink Esir 5 is a worthy contender on our list. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the Ryzen Mini PC AMD Ryzen 7. This mini marvel packs a punch with its AMD Ryzen 7 processor, delivering efficient performance that's perfect for multitasking and heavy-duty computing tasks. Its sleek design is another feather in its cap, blending seamlessly into any workspace. However, it's not without its cons. The price tag may be a bit steep for some. Nevertheless, the Ryzen Mini PC AMD Ryzen 7 stands out with its powerhouse performance. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Apple Mac Mini M2. This powerhouse of a mini PC boasts an unmatched performance thanks to the M2 chip, which is Apple's latest marvel of engineering. The sleek design is a treat for the eyes, and the brand reliability is an assurance of quality. However, it's not without its cons. The price tag can be a bit steep, but for the performance it delivers, it's worth every penny. With its top-tier performance and sleek design, the Apple Mac Mini M2 truly is the cream of the crop. And there you have it, the top 6 mini PCs in the market. From the budget-friendly Beelink U59 to the versatile Camrui AK1 Pro. We've also covered the compact Geekom Mini IT11, the powerful Beelink Esir 5, and the performance-driven Ryzen Mini PC AMD Ryzen 7. And let's not forget the Apple Mac Mini M2, the cream of the crop for those seeking top-tier performance. So, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-performance machine, there's a mini PC out there to suit your needs.